Alright guys, we have another Trader Joe's haul for you. I do apologize, I cannot find my receipt anywhere. I don't know what I did with it, but I thought I would show you what I got anyways. Might be a quick video, but these are hamburger buns. My nephew is coming tomorrow night for some burgers. And I know these were like $2 something, really cheap. So I got some lettuce. This was like $1.29, I think. That was really cheap as well. I got some organic broccoli. And I'm gonna try some pasta sauce. This was like $1.39, I think. It's in a small jar, and I thought it would be, you know, good to have a small jar of pasta. I guess with me, I don't, you know, if you're living by yourself, this is really hard to have one jar, and I would waste it, a big jar, but this is small. So I think this will be really good. So with the burgers, I got some cheese. I just wanted cheddar, but they were out of cheddar, but I got a mix of Kobe, I guess, cheese. Be good with the burgers tomorrow. We got some macaroni and cheese. I had this before. It's really good. I already had some of this. I had a stir fry. I made a Spam stir fry. It was really good. My friend Jean, she made me a veggie stir fry with cashew nuts. I was really surprised how good and tasty it was. This had mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms, but they're so big you can easily take them off. And yeah, I already had some of that already. And my favorite beef out of Safeway, Whole Foods, and Trader Joe's have to be Trader Joe's. This is organic and grass-fed. This is my favorite beef, and we're gonna have this for the burgers tomorrow night, guys. I got some Himalayan pink salt crystals. That should be good. Got some organic toasted sesame oil. So soon I want to make a Korean dish, and it does call for toasted sesame oil, so that's why I got that. I also got some General Tso's. Also got some stir-fry sauce. And that's what I got is something for my lunch tomorrow. It is a barbecue salad. This is really good. One of my subscribers, Joe, recommended it, and it's really good. It's really filling. So that's my lunch tomorrow, guys. So sorry for the short, quick video. I know people like these videos, and there's no really taste test because I've already had these items. And there's nothing really new. It's just my, general stuff that I'm going to get on a daily basis. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. Peace.